Let's be real, AI is not coming for your career. It's already here. It's in your inbox, in your meetings, in your job applications, and even if you think you can ignore it, well, good luck to competing with people who don't. And if you want to talk about how this could impact your career, your business, or your opportunities this year, book a call with me using the calendar link you're seeing somewhere on the screen or in the description of this video. And let me tell you something, AI is not replacing your job, but people who use AI are replacing people who don't, because companies don't care about how work gets done. They care about results. For example, these days we are seeing how marketers are using AI to test 100 ads in time it takes you to write one, or lawyers using AI to draft contracts before you even open your laptop, or developers using AI to build apps while you are still debugging one function. So how you will be able to compete with these people who are smart? Well, the pattern is simple. The gap is not between AI and humans. It is between humans who use AI and humans who don't. So what should your next move be? Well, you have no choice but to do this one thing. Learn AI according to your domain. Master it. Use it to do 10x the work in half the time, or you can stay the same and watch someone else takes your spot. It's your call. And if you want to know how and which AI tools to master, just book a call with me directly using my calendar link below. Because guys, the thing is, if you talk to someone who is already working with these tools, you'll save tons of time figuring out which ones are actually worth it or which ones are perfect for you. Otherwise, you'll get lost in the noise, because everyone out there is trying to sell their AI tool and you'll end up confused about which one is best for you. So I'll be talking with you soon. Bye.